Hi, I'm Paulette with AW Specialty Paper. Today I'd like to show you how to use Neenah's Techniprint 4.0, a heat transfer paper designed to use with white or light garments with your color laser printer. First, I'd like to touch on how to print your image. There are a lot of computer programs that you can use: CorelDRAW, Microsoft Word, and Adobe Photoshop Elements. Today we're going to use Photoshop Elements. Once the image is created, it is printed on the transfer paper in reverse or mirrored. Most laser printers do not have the ability to reverse the image, so you have to do this in your program. To do this in Adobe Photoshop Elements, first select Image, then Rotate, and select Flip Canvas Horizontal. Next, you'll have to select the correct paper weight media setting to use. We're using an Okidata Oki 610N color laser printer. This process is a trial and error procedure. There's just no other way to do it. In the Properties menu, under Setup, we selected Multi-Purpose Tray. More about this later. Then for the weight, we started at the heavy setting and printed it. Then moved to heavier settings until the desired print quality was reached. The first print we did at the heavy setting looked like this. We printed multiple sheets at different settings before we came to the conclusion that Label 2 on the right was the correct paper media setting for us. Keep in mind that with laser printers, the settings adjust the speed the paper is moving through the fuser, but not the actual fuser temperature. When using laser printers for transfer papers, you always want to use the multi-purpose tray or bypass door, and not the regular feed tray. The multi-purpose tray reduces the travel time and paper bends before the paper enters the fuser, greatly reducing the chance of paper jamming. We also are letting the image come out the back of the printer to minimize any chance of damage to the image after printing. Place the transfer paper on the bypass door so it will be printed on the coated side. With your paper on the bypass door correctly, print your image. Now we're ready to transfer it to your garment. Neenah's Techniprint 4.0 is transferred with the heat press only, no hand irons. It should be transferred at 375 degrees for about 20 to 30 seconds. Take your 100% cotton or 50-50 blend garment and press it for about 5 seconds to get any moisture or wrinkles out of it. Then place your printed image in the center of the garment using rulers or line of sight for the exact location. Making sure your heat press is stabilized at 375 degrees, close the press and heat for 20 seconds. Depending on your heat press and the level of moisture and temperature in the room, this time may need to be varied to reach the desired quality of the transfer. We chose 20 seconds after testing several transfers. Since this is a hot peel transfer, you'll need to remove the paper immediately. Lightly stretch your transfer after you pull the paper to give it a softer hand. And your transfer is complete. Instructions for this product are available on our website, awpapers.com.